So today we're just doing some engineered flooring, a few stains. We have to replace some boards here as the washing machine leaked, overflowed and created cupping, damaged boards. So yeah, we're gonna screen these down, get its top layer off. I've got a new coating down. I'm gonna go over matte satin finish today. So yeah. As you can see, we have screened it down, prepping, just clean, tacking now. So you got a nice clean floor for the finish. As you can see, it's coming amazing.